Charlie will have benefit. It was a little push on him from Manuel Campbell, but nothing more than just a... Good pick up there. From Makgopa, suddenly pops up in much more of a central role. Gets a second bite at the cherry. Leaves it behind. It's off from Pool, really wide to the touchline. And create definitely a bit of an angle of space for Polokwane City was another central role. It's not a bad ball from the corner of space before talented Barter. Then he changed his mind. Matuluji. It's a home match for them. Aponis in the meantime. It's a lovely ball and prayer against China. Which leaves us with 4 minutes before the break. Makgopa over on that occasion. Was that the 2 matches played in that. I'll tell you what, if there hadn't been another defender running around the back here, this would have been done so. Okay, it's got Stoppage time already in the first half.
There's still a corner though to defend.
I'll be the point and then decides, well, there's no point in arguing the point. Dlamini. City. And referee Michael Mosemeng will blow us.
He qualifies it at least for a foul.
Really had 2 yellow cards for Polokwane City, 1 for Manuel Campbell for goal at the moment. In fact, there was 1 for King, if you beg your pardon. And the ball to Dlamini. He's working out his pace. Traine calling to continues to argue the point. It's not normally a good idea. Continues like that, the referee showed a lot of patience with before showing the yellow card to Dlamini.
You see, I'm thinking
Time to Barter. It was like half a run from Makgopa. He changed his mind, went good defending again. Saleng once again just like in the first half, another Pirates with all of the possession. Makgopa with a slider. It's a second bite of the cherry as well. Makgopa, Saleng! Third of the season, second in the Premier League, Pirates in front.
the mindset of the individual. Orlando Pirates as a team as well. It begins with some choice and then he continues to make that run inside. And on the second part, he's trying to again, it's another challenge arriving. What's the goalkeeper? The difference was that he hit it a little bit higher with Sapuna holding the bottom part. That's a fantastic goal from the individual.
Protection for the goalkeeper. Kapalo against Stellenbosch FC down at Moses Makgopa. It was a little tough, sold out a long time ago. In fact, it took a couple of hours, William. We're used to talking about Samboy playing in the colours. Nguli gives possession away. Mapangule, Polis, who still hasn't brought anything to this game, really at all. Polokwane, not a bad ball.
Actually, it's yes, and I think that was a little slow in that aspect of dropping in front.
Matuluji. The ball carries it as far as Kule. Good effort. Polis eventually takes the shot. First time he's made a contribution. It wasn't that far away. Kigubidi, it's a lovely turn. He had oodles of players around. And suddenly new players and fresh legs for the Pirates to defend. The player who has scored a goal whilst in the MTN8 against Super Sport United. Polokwane City, every time there's a free kick, so close.
Defensively and keep recycling the ball in your own area.
Makgopa from Rowan's in acres of space. And Rowan goes to Kimvuidi. And this is going to be an easy goal. Off the chest of the goalkeeper, Sapunga. Evidence Makgopa scores his first in the Premier League and his first appearance in the Betway competition.
Isn't he put his hands up? I'm not sure what he was doing. Let's have to close this one out. So kind of forward
and then immediately it can be available.
The evidence is very clear. Can there be a consolation goal? Well, he doesn't into the middle.
Better than anticipated by most, and that for me is what cost the goal.
There's no man to play for Pirates. Win of the season so far.